This is for all the people that keeps begging for a video to see my face when I sneeze. Well, I guess allergies been starting to bother me again. Cause I can't stop sneeze. I don't really know what to say. Okay, I think that's it. But just to make this a little bit longer, I will undo some too, if it works. Oh my god, that last one was a big one. It's easier to induce when you have allergies too, because it's kinda completed. It finished what the allergies started, you know? It's working well. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I feel all dizzy. That's it. Bye.